wanted me to teach her how to fly. Thought that life was much too short to cry. Her looking through you eyes have long been dry. Anabel was everything in life but not afraid. Lived her days by charts no man had made. Others worked at happiness she played. Swimming through the air, flying on the sea. Anabel, I can't catch up to you. You're running too fast for me. Anabel, barefoot on the sand just yesterday, said she'd heard the ocean call her name. It held her in its arms and kissed her life away.